G'day, I'm what's left of Barry ASHENHURST, and today, Reg Grant and I will look at the Can-Am Outlander 570.
The question is, why would Can-Am want a 570 when it has the world's best 650? The answer, because Polaris has a 570 of course, a very good one, and Can-Am needs a 570 that would smoke it. Nothing much has changed on this Outlander, so you still get killer ride and handling. Oh yeah. Is this Can-Am 570 better than the 650? No, and better's not the right word, but it is nearly $3,000 cheaper, and to a lot of people, that's a lot of money. The 570 Outlander, all Outlanders for that matter, will go anywhere a sensible rider needs to go. They're comfortable on any surface, and their engine braking is the best in the business. Try to relax, will you, Reggie? This Outlander is like all of them, comfortable and easy to steer, but it's big, heavy and fast, so don't do anything silly on it, like chase a 650. The 570 retails for $12,500. Look for a full and rather wet report on it in the next issue of Farm and Farm Machinery magazine.